Hello everyone, this is Jared with Shading Texas, here looking over Lake Travis in Austin. Really what I want to show you guys is really an installation that went wrong. This is a local company here, and I'm not going to name any names or anything, but sometimes when the pricing is too good, there's a reason why. I want to show you a couple of reasons why you just got to kind of watch out for this stuff. So there's these screens are done. So there's one here. This one right here, this big one here in the center, and there's actually one that's over here, but this one's stuck and it won't come down anymore. But I'm going to bring these down. I want you to see, first of all, this one's stuck. It's not even moving. It's not even coming down. Like, it's supposed to come down. So that one's stuck in its spot, and it's just unraveling up at the top. See this one? It's just popping as it comes down, all the wrinkles on it. Like here. And then the other thing is, really one of the bigger things is, see it stop. It's not even moving, and and then it slammed down. Okay, so what happened is just the little bit of wind that we saw made it so it wouldn't come down all the way, and it slammed down. So that's definitely not what you want. Secondly, just the quality. So this one actually has a seam, and you see this seam here? It's all puckering up left and right. And then there's other things here where they didn't make these wide enough, so they kind of scab pieces together. So this is like two pieces of bar together because they couldn't fit it all the way through. In addition, if you look at it from the side, you see all these wrinkles all the way up and down here. The reason the wrinkles are there is the axle that they used is too small, so it's deflecting in the center, and the customer is rolling up these wrinkles, which get worse and worse and worse over time, and then you lose your view out. So you can see how grainy this view is. When you see some of our other videos, you can kind of see the view that we have. So just watch out for these kind of things. I know the price is always good, but you can see there's no tightness pulled over here. Unfortunately, this customer has to redo all of these. This one's stuck again, and they just got frustrated to the point where they were like, you know what, we just got to redo it anyway. So just be careful with what you guys get. This is Jared with Shading Texas, where we are sun out and life in.